Hello everyone. My name is Kalyani Thuri from AIDS Department, AISSMS IIT College, Pune. Today I am going to explain the topic Systems Biology and Network Analysis. System biology. System biology is an interdisciplinary field that focuses on complex interactions within biological systems. It uses holistic approach, understanding that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This field integrates many scientific disciplines such as biology, computer science, engineering, bioinformatics, physics, and others. It aims to predict how these systems change over time and under varying conditions. System biology has been responsible for some of the most important developments in the science of human health and environmental sustainability. One of the aims of system biology is to model and discover emergent properties of cells, tissues, and organism functioning as a system. It is about putting together rather than taking part, integration rather than reduction. System biology can be considered from a number of different aspects. As a field of study, it focuses on interactions between components of biological systems and how these interactions give rise to the function and behavior of that system. It is computational and mathematical analysis of model and modeling of complex biological systems. It is a biology-based interdisciplinary field of study that focus on complex interactions within biological systems using holistic approach to biological research. Next point, regulatory network. Regulatory networks such as gene regulatory network, GRNs, are collections of molecules regulators that interact with each other and with other substance in the cell. These interactions govern the gene expression level of mRNA and proteins, which in turn determine the function of the cell. In single cell organisms, regulatory network respond to the external environment. For example, yeast. A single a yeast cell is a sugar solution will turn in, into genes that make enzyme that process the sugar to alcohol. Gene regulatory network are a way of describing how genes can turn each other on and off. A simple gene regulatory network could be one in which gene produce a protein which turn on gene B, which itself produces a protein which turns on gene C. Not all genes in the genome code for protein that build and run the body. Some genes code for proteins whose function is to tell other genes whether to turn on or off. The entire human genome contains around 90,000 genes. Each one of your cell contains all of these genes, but not all of them will be expressed or turned on in every cell. Next point is metabolic networks. Metabolic networks are interconnected pathways of biochemical reactions within living cells. These networks determine the physiological and biochemical properties of a cell. They comprise the chemical reaction of metabolism, the metabolic pathways, as well as the regulatory interactions that guide these reactions. These networks allow for the assembly of compound necessary for cellular functioning or the production of energy and matter by breaking down biomolecules. With the sequencing of complete genes, it is now possible to reconstruct the network of biochemical reactions in many organisms. Despite of the significant advancement in the application of data science in metabolic network analysis, there are still challenges to overcome. These include issues related to data privacy and security, the need for more diverse and representative datasets, and development of more efficient algorithms for image analysis. Next point is network analysis and visualization tools. Introduction to network analysis. Network analysis involves studying how nodes means entities, and edges, that is interactions from complex network. So there are some types of network analysis techniques. And next is visualization tool for network analysis. Clustering and community detection are techniques used to uncover pattern and processes within networks. Software such as Cytoscope and Gepic helps researchers visualize and explore large-scale biological networks. That's all for today. Thank you so much.